It's your girl GiveyouFace, and I am back yet again with another video. This time we're going to be doing a Fashion Nova haul. So for the first outfit, it's going to be this one. I'm also doing the makeup looks to go along with. So yes, so you guys just let me know what you guys think, if you guys like videos like this. And bear with me, this is my first like clothing haul, so I wanted to do something different. I wanted to pair like makeup looks with it. I think 2 outfits I paired together with this natural look that I have right now. I paired with this one and another outfit, and then I got this pink and gray outfit that I did one look for, and then these 2 comfortable outfits that I did one look for. So there's 3 different looks, and there will be 3 separate videos for those looks, but I will also show you in this video what the looks look like up close. So we're gonna try the split screen thing out. Let me know what you guys think, and I will keep doing them that way. I just wanted to make it different to make makeup with it, because everybody does like just a plain old try on haul, and when you can add makeup to it and make it fun. I like baggy stuff anyway, so why not just get a medium for the pants. Now the pants actually fit really good. Also, I have kind of a big butt, so that kind of helped. I don't know, but it came out perfect. The thing about the top was, now if you're gonna lift your arms up, sis, if you just got on your bra, I mean, hey, some people like to just wear their bra, but I would wear like an extra crop top underneath it if you don't want your boobs or your bra showing, because this is a crop top, as you can see. I feel like the pants ended up being not very true to size. Like, I feel like if I did get a small, that they would be tight, so I would get a size up in the pants. The pants were $24.99, and then the shirt, the crop top, was $24.99 as well. And I paired it with this nice soft glam makeup. And yeah, so let me know what you guys think about this outfit. So the next outfit I got it's a hoodie. It looks just like this. Very, very cute. It says know your worth and add tax. So it looks just like this, and it is a oversized hoodie, and I freaking love it. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Like, you guys, this hoodie, I got it in a small, and I was like, what if I need to get it in a medium just in case it's not, you know, sometimes it says oversized but it fits just perfect and it's not oversized. So this is called the Can't Afford Me oversized hoodie, just so you guys will know. Right now it says that it's sold out, so if you guys, I'll still link it below, but right now it says it's sold out. I'm glad I got it when I got a chance. But this hoodie was $42.99. It's so comfortable. When they say oversized, it is oversized. And I decided to pair what look did I pair with it? I paired a nice cute halo eye with it. And yes, it just made the outfit look so edgy and cute. You can dress it up or down. That's the thing that I like about it. You can wear sneakers with it. You could wear knee-high boots, high-heel boots with it. Sis, bomb. You could wear a pair of furry slides with it. Sis, that's the tea, and you guys are gonna love it. So Can't Afford Me oversized hoodie, black. It only comes in black. $42.99 for that. So this is the next thing I got. It is a simple, it's not just any black t-shirt. It says F. I'm not gonna say the word because I don't know how YouTube is, but it says F-A-U-B off, C this, and D him. So I thought that this was so cute. You can pair it with some biker shorts, and that's definitely what I'm gonna do. It is oversized. It doesn't say that it's oversized online. It definitely does not say that. So when I got it, the neckline's a little weird, if you ask me. It's kind of like, I don't know, it's just a little weird to me. It's like low. You guys will probably see it in the picture that I put, or the video that I put up. But this was, it's called You Choose Tunic Top in the color black. It only comes in the color black, and it is $29.99. So I mean, it's super cute. I really like it. It's something that you could just wear with some cute slides and cute sandals. I would personally pair it with some biker shorts or some leggings. Super duper cute. I also paired that with that cute little halo eye that you guys are seeing on the screen right now. The longer shorts, it's like this I don't know if it's like a purple or like a purplish blue, but then the sides have like little stripes on it. These are so comfortable. They're not up your booty, like they're not booty shorts. I was worried about them because I don't like too short shorts. So these are super cute. It comes to, does it come together? Did I buy them together? Let me double check. Yes, it is a set. It's called Live Like a Baller short set. I got it in the size small, and it says purple/multi. So yes, it did come together. So here's the bottoms here, and then there is a jacket, and it's like a windbreaker material. Super cute. I would say that it is true to size. I wear a size small. I got a size small, and it definitely worked out just fine. It has a zipper. You can zip up and down, and this is what it looks like. It is a crop. It bunches up right at the bottom here, so it does that. And then it's a short sleeve. Sorry, I had it all bunched up. It's a short sleeve, and it's so super cute. The set is so cute on. And then underneath that, I got this top. Actually, let me tell you the price of that really quick. The price of that set was, and it is in stock, and it was on sale for $17.98. It was originally $36. They do have just a size small left when I'm recording this. It just says it has a small left. So sis, if you're a size small, hurry up and go get that now. So yeah, it was $36.99. Now it's $17.98. I'm sure they will bring it back because it's so popular. So to go with that, and I could also wear this with different things. I've bought crop tops from Fashion Nova plenty of times, and this is called the Demi crop tank in white, and it was $9.99. I also got another color, and this came as a set. I really wanted this. It comes in two colors. It comes in purple and green. It's like a purple and green, and then it comes in this pink and gray. Pink, gray, and white. I got these cute, it's like a mauve pink, if you want to call it mauve. It's a mauve pink. These shorts are a little bit shorter, but they're not, like I said, they're not like booty shorts. So this one is a half zip windbreaker. It is so cute. It has this little pocket right here that you can unzip, and you can actually put like money or your cards or something in it if you want to, or your phone. I even put my phone in there. But like I said, it's a half zip. It gets tight right here. It's a long sleeve though. The other one's a half sleeve. It's a long sleeve. It has gray and white, and then it bunches up here as well. So it's definitely a really cute set. Worth it. Let me see how much and I got a size small. It is true to size. It was $49.99. I definitely think it's worth it. You can wear it with some, I would wear the windbreaker sets with some cute tennis shoes. Like I would tie it with, like, I got some, for that blue and orange, or that purple and orange one, I got some cute Nike Air Maxes I am dying to wear that I haven't worn yet. And then I got some cute, I think they're Nike Air Maxes as well. They're all black Nike Air Maxes that I haven't worn yet. Super cute with that other set. So yes, definitely love. So then the last and final thing that I got, and it's over here. I'm not gonna put it on because I have makeup, but I've been trying to find cute masks everywhere. So it says 6 feet on it. I got my mom one that says "Don't touch me" in pink. So without getting any makeup on it, I'll kind of like, I think this was so cute. And I go back to work soon, so I'm going to wear this to work while I'm doing hair. So I just thought that was cute. And that was, it's a one size fits all mask. So it's a little bit big under here, but I can like stretch it out and make it fit. This was $12.99. It's called 6 Feet Mask in black and white. So I will link everything below. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Let me know if you like the makeup looks with it, or you guys just want to see me straight up try on. But I thought it would be different. Let me know if you guys like this try on haul with the makeup looks, because I definitely think that it would be a good idea. Now it is a lot of work, but I will put in the work for y'all if you guys like it. I just thought it would be different to do cute little makeup looks with each outfit. So each time I'll probably purchase about 4 to 5 outfits. That way I'm not doing too much. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think of the outfits. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comment section below. But I will put everything that I purchased and the prices in the description box, and let you know what was sold out and what's still there and what's not there anymore. But you know, with Fashion Over, they normally restock. They're pretty good about restocking. So yes, sis, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell to know the next time I drop a video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next